Hello students, my name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Career Mudra, Bangalore. If any student is looking for admissions in MBBS in any private college, their first destination is Karnataka because of premium medical institution, good infrastructure, facilities and a better career in medical. There are many medical colleges are there in Karnataka which all are a private medical college which is 60 to 70 years old. I can give an example like Kasturba Medical College Manipal, then JJ Medical College Davangere, MRMC Gulbarga, St. John's Medical College, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College Belagavi. These all colleges were established in the year of 1950-1960. In that time, there are very limited government medical colleges there in many part of India. So you can understand how medically rich for medical educations in this particular state. So that is the reason Karnataka is the first destination for the student for medical education. Today I will give you the information about step-by-step counseling process of Karnataka State Counseling. Students, Karnataka State Counseling is organized by KEA, Karnataka Examination Authority. And Karnataka is an open state, means any part of India student can participate in counseling in Karnataka. Definitely there are some part of the seats are reserved for Karnataka domicile, but there are many seats which is also open for outside Karnataka students also. Generally, Karnataka State Counseling registration starts after NEET result, but this year there is an exception. The registration process already started and they have finished the registration process also. Hope many students had already done the registration in Karnataka. If any student had not done till, there is a possibility KA can open again the registration after the NEET result also. So you have to watch their website. If they open the registration again, so you can do the registrations. Now you must be knowing, the student who had done the registration, that there are steps are doing initial registration, after that applications, after that documentation, you have to upload the document, after that you will have to make the payment, then your application and the registration part has been finished. Next step is, once your NEET result will be published, after that you have to upload your NEET ranker and NEET rank and the score in your application, KA applications. After that, in the time of counseling, you have to download your verification slip from KA login. In this verification slip, you will be getting a separate key which is very important and which will be used for the choice filling purpose. See, in Karnataka counseling, the special thing is that they allow only one time registration, generally that is before starting of the first round of counseling. Generally many states they allow new registration in each and every round of counseling, but in Karnataka they don't allow each and every round of counseling. They allow only one time registration, that is before starting of the first round of counseling. Another important thing is that they allow only one time choice filling. What choice filling you will be doing? In round 1, the same choices will be continuing in round 2 and further round depending on some criteria. Now, suppose if a student is looking for admission in Karnataka, once this result has been published, they have to download their verification slip, they have to do the choice filling. In the choice filling process, they have to be very careful about the order of the colleges what they are giving. In Karnataka, they will publish the mock allotment. Mock allotment is nothing but they will be giving you an idea that which college you will be getting according to your choice filling you have done in round 1 or round 2. So the student will be getting an idea whatever choice filling they have done, accordingly whether they will get any college or they will not get any college, or the college which is better option they are missing. So they will be getting an overall idea, and in mock allotment, the KA will publish the cutoff also. If you see the cutoff, you will be getting an idea which all colleges, which rank it is finished. So you will be getting an idea. If you want to change anything in the choice filling, you will be allowed to do the changing after the mock allotment. So that is an advantage for the students. Now after round 1 allotment, suppose if the student has been allotted, then they will be having one options, that is called choice 1. The student can take admission in that particular college and they can complete the admission process. That is called choice 1. In that process, what the candidate will have to do, they have to download the challan after the allotment from KA. They have to download the challan. In that challan, there will be one account number. In that account number, the student will have to make the first year payment. After that, the student will have to report to KA. They have to submit their document. Once they will submit their document, after that they have to download the admission order from KA login. After taking the admission order, they have to report to the college physically. After reporting that also, they have to upload to the KA login, and they have to inform the college also to upload that in KA login. So the KA people also will be updated that the student had reported the college, so his admission process has been completed. Second thing is that suppose if a student is looking for admission, but if the student is wants to take upgradation, means better option in further round, this is called choice 2 in KA counseling. In this process, what you have to do, you have to download the challan from KA. After that, you have to make the payment and you have to submit your document to KA office. So you don't have to download your admission order, neither you have to report to the college. In choice 3, suppose if you are allotted a college, but if you are not satisfied, you can completely ignore that also. Okay, and you can try for next option in a round 2. In case of choice 4, if the student is not at all interested further in KA, or they have got better option in All India counseling, they can opt for choice 4. So they will be completely out of the counseling process. Now here one thing is important for the student to know. Since I told you that in Karnataka, the student will be allowed to do choice filling once only before the round 1 counseling. Suppose if any student had allotted a seat in Karnataka, let's say he has given 30 choices in choice filling and he has got the college which is 20th number, and if he is not interested to take that particular college and he wants to take admission in further round, he wants to check his possibility in round 2. In that case, in round 2, that particular option will not be available for him in choice filling. As I told you that if there are 30 options, if the student has allotted 20th options and if he does not take admission, then that 20th options will be removed from his options list for round 2. Suppose if a student is allotted a college and if he is looking for upgradation, in that case what will happen? Suppose if the student has given 30 choices, within that he has got 10th number of choices and he is looking for upgradations. In that case, the colleges which is above 10, like choice number 1 to choice number 9, those colleges will only be available in round 2 for those for the student in the round 2 choice filling. Below that, all the colleges option will be removed from the choice list. So these all are the important informations for choice filling the student should know. I told you about from round 2 what will be the process, from round 1 to round 2 what will be the process. Now suppose if a student is allotted in round 2, if he does not take admissions, then there are many penalties and forfeiture clauses are also there. So in this counseling process, the student should know in and out of the process to get the best possible option according to his NEET rank. If you are looking for best out of your rank, so you have to take proper guidance for Karnataka counseling. Students, if you want to get many information regarding the state counseling, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want to get free updates about the counseling information and the notification, please join in our Telegram group. All the links is given in the description given. Thank you so much for watching the video.